Hi, my name is Toban Nichols, and today we're at Remainders in Pasadena, and this is my assistant, Amila.
Hi. I'm a volunteer at Remainders, and I love to help out with whatever my friends need me to help out with.
Oh, that's great. That's such a nice thing to say. Do you want to tell them what we're going to make today?
Today we are making these kits.
And what is the kit?
The kit is the ornament kit.
Snowflake ornaments.
Yes.
So here at Remainders, for $5, you can get this snowflake ornament kit. Inside it has everything that you need to make ornaments. You can make, included is felt, enough for 5 ornaments, the sequin trim, which you can see here, and these patterns that will give you different types of ornaments you can make. You'll need to supply your own scissors, your own glue, and your own brushes if you want to brush the glue on really well.
And plenty of felt.
And plenty of felt, which is provided. We've provided enough felt for 5 ornaments, so there should be plenty to make. All right, so shall we get started, Amila?
Yes.
All right, so which one of these patterns do you want to choose?
I want to make this flower one.
Does that look like a flower to you?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a snowflake?
No. And this one looks like a regular star.
That is a star and a snowflake. So Amila's going to do the snowflake, aka the flower, and I'm going to do the star. So why don't I cut them in half so that we can each cut our own out? Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
This glue is a little bit in the way, I think. All right, there's yours. So start cutting out the shape. And why do we want to cut out the shape, Amila? Do you know?
Yes, I know why.
Okay, tell me.
It's so you can make the blueprint for your ornament.
Oh, very good. That's exactly right. We're going to lay the cutout ornament made of paper on top of the felt and then cut around it to make sure that we have the right shape. Great job. And your kit will come with a variety of colors. Our kit today only has blue and red. So, Amila, which color do you want to make your ornament with, blue or red?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, great. I think that's a great choice. All right, so I've cut out my star. She's almost got her ornament, her snowflake cut out. And you said you want blue,
Yeah.
correct? Okay, so I'm gonna grab this blue for you. I'm gonna put them on your side. Now, we have 2 colors of sequin as well, red and silver. I'm doing the red, so maybe red on red won't look so good, but do you want to put red on your blue or do you want silver?
I want silver.
Oh, you do? Okay, so then I will do red on red. But
you can use silver too if you want to.
I could. I don't think there's enough here, but I think, yeah, you'll be provided with enough to make several. So, for instance, here are our pre-made one. Here is the snowflake that has gold sequins, and here is the star. You can see that whoever made this was clever enough to take the sequins apart and glue them one by one on top of the star to make it look really cool. You see the back is just plain, and then you can attach a string to this. You can put a hole through it so you can hang it on your tree or hang it anywhere that you'd like. All right, so I'm gonna do the red felt. So I'm just going to hold the star shape down and then start cutting it out. And Milo, when you're ready, you can do the same.
Finished cutting it out.
Cool, all right. So here we have our shapes cut out. You can see we used the paper to cut out the shapes. This is Amila's and this one's mine. So I'm just gonna make a couple of lines across here. Back here. This one up here. And I'm gonna make one across here.
Oh, that's gonna look cool, Toban.
I hope so. All right, are you ready for glue?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my little strips that I've already cut and I'm just gonna start putting them on. But first I wanna just make the glue go a little bit down into the felt so it's... All right, there we go.
This one's perfect for right here. Okay. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay.
Good job. All right, so I'm just painting the glue on a little bit with the brush just to make it go down onto the felt a little bit.
And I guess mine's gonna be a little 3D.
Well, that's good. That's fine.
Rising above.
That's okay. Mm.
Then I think I'm gonna need this size. I know it's kind of small. That's the size I need.
That's the size.
Perfect. Ooh. I'm not even measuring it and it's perfect.
Yeah, I
just measured it now.
I think you don't have to measure it. You don't have to be super precise about it. We can just have fun with it.
You can just glue it on one strand.
Yeah,
one strand.
Exactly. Exactly. Just glue it down. It's more fun to just enjoy the process than sort of try to be really perfect about it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You can just put it on the way you want to.
Yep, it's true.
There's no way you have to do it.
That is very true. Very well said, Amila.
And then I'm just gonna use this size of a piece.
Oh, I cut more strips than I need. Which is fine. So keep in mind also the glue will dry clear, so it may look a little messy now, but it won't look quite as messy when it's dry. Yeah, look, oh, yours is going really well. You better pick up the pace. I'm way ahead of you.
So that will go there, like that.
That's looking really good. So I think we're gonna go ahead and finish working on this, and we're gonna let you go so you can come to Remainders and make your own snowflakes. So once again, Remainders is located at, I always forget the address, 787 East Washington in Pasadena. And you can find these kits in the store, or you can order them on our website at www.remainderspass.org. You can also call the store if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you. If you need to know how to make them, or you have any other questions, or wanting to know if we have specific things in stock, you can call us at 626-529-5014, and someone will be glad to help you. Again, today we made the snowflake ornament kit, and this is what they look like when they're done. Well, what they can look like. They can look like a lot of things. All right, have a Merry Christmas. Amila, do you want to say goodbye and Merry Christmas to them?
Bye. Merry Christmas.
And Happy Holidays too. Bye.